So guys, this is an unbreaking of the Doctor Who Series 11 12 Rittenhouse trading card box. So let's get started. There we go. Okay, here's all the packs, guys. Got 24 trading cards in total. Let's see who we get. Oh god. Okay. First one. Ooh. See, I don't really want to mess any of these up in case we get a really good card. I'm not sure the best way to open these, but here we go. So, first, the Battle of Ran score of Kalos and all allies and adversaries for the Daleks. Fugitive of the Jadoon. Another fugitive of the Jadoon. Yep. And the Charanga Conundrum. Very cool. Roy Kent from Ted Lasso. That's cool. Next pack, guys. I'm very happy with the Daleks. That's pretty cool. But yeah. Okay. So we got Spyfall Part 1. Oh, this is a special card, guys. We'll do it from this. And it is the 13th Doctor special card. Pretty nice card. A little bit on the back there. That's a very, very good card. We got Can You Hear Me? The Ascension of the Cybermen. And the Ghost Monument. Right, next pack, guys. I want to be very careful with them. Because these were very expensive. So we have got Spyfall Part 1, the Battle Round Score of Kalos, Praxius, and the Ghost Monument. I think there's one more. Kablam! And there's very good information on the back about each episode. They're very good quality cards. Very nice. Next pack, guys. And the packaging. It's really good. So far, guys, I'm quite happy. Okay, so we got It Takes You Away, Rosa, Nikola Tesla's Night of Terror, the Charanga Conundrum, and finally Rosa. This pack will be good, guys. Okay, so we got It Takes You Away, Oh, what's this? Huh. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's like a TARDIS part, so that's pretty cool. Put it over the rest of the special cards. The Haunting of Villa Diodati. Fugitive of the Jadoon. Demons of the Punjab. And that's that. So we have got Spyfall Part 2, The Ghost Monument, Can You Hear Me, and Kablam. Oh, and the Sharanga Conundrum. So we have the Battle of Ranskor of Kalos. Oh, okay, this is a special card. We'll unveil it from this side. Oh, I don't know what this is. What is this? Well, it's very interesting. Revolution of the Daleks. Draw new defense. This is a pretty interesting card. But we've got Praxius, Can You Hear Me, and I'm going to guess it, the Ghost Monument. Okay, Arachnids in the UK. I don't think we've had that one yet. And then that's that. Tell you what, guys, should we do it from behind? I reckon we should. Okay. Arachnids in the UK. Praxius. The Ascension of the Cybermen. The Timeless Children. And Spyfall Part 2. Alright, let's continue. I reckon this is an autograph, guys. Okay. Actually, no, I don't think it is anymore. So we got Orphan 55, Kablam, The Timeless Children, The Woman Who Fell to Earth, and The Ghost Monument. Okay. So we got Orphan 55. Oh, special card. I think this is a New Year's special. Yep, it is. I don't know why it shouldn't be upside down like that, but go from it from here, guys. New Year's special 2021. Huh. Interesting. But that's pretty cool, guys. Got New Year's special. But we got Praxius, The Haunting of Villa Diodati, and the Ghost Monument. Oh, that's tough to get open, guys. I reckon this is... Hopefully it's an autograph. Hopefully. Okay. Nikola Tesla's Night of Terror. Okay, no autograph. Arachnids in the UK. Fugitive of the Jejune. Rosa. And Demons of the Punjab. I wonder why that's different. So they are a bit different if you compare the top. That is very interesting. Maybe it's a sign, guys. Maybe it's a sign. So we got Kablam, and I think we got a special card. Who are you? Who's that? I have no idea who this is, guys. Pretty cool. We got the Timeless Children, Praxeus, and the Sharanga Conundrum. Come on, give me an autograph. It's all at the bottom. Okay, we got Spyfall, Part 2. The Witchfinders, Can You Hear Me, Takes You Away, and the Sharanga Conundrum. Spyfall, Part 2. All golden. Haunting of Villa Diodati. What number is this? This is card 63 out of 99. The Haunting of Villa Diodati. It's pretty cool. Nikola Tesla's Night of Terror. The One Who Fell to Earth. And Kablam. Oh, okay. Orphan 55. Fugitive of the Jejune. Timeless Children. Spyfall Part 1. And the Ghost Monument. So guys, I decided to let my sister open one. So, go on then. Let's see if you get Momo.
Ooh,
do you know how to open one?
I'm sure I do.
Okay, let me open it for you.
I'm gonna get an autograph.
Well, try to.
Okay. I'm closing my eyes.
Okay.
Okay.
Turn them around.
This way.
Yeah. So say them to the camera. Say the names to the camera.
Doctor Who.
Say the. Oh, you did. Oh God. Okay, go on then. Just do it.
Okay.
Who's that?
We've got an autograph.
Nadia Parks.
Nadia Parks.
Who did she play? She played Claire Clarimort in The Haunting of Villa Diodati. That's pretty cool, isn't it? An actual autograph.
Literally an autograph.
Do you want to open the rest of them?
Right, so. And we got.
Can you hear me? Who else? What other cards did we get?
We got.
Demons of the Punjab.
And lastly, in this packet, we got Demons of the Punjab.
Of the Punjab, Molly. So then, guys, we have got 8 packs remaining. Which one should I pick? Pick this. Okay, so Orphan 55, The Ghost Monument, The Ascension of Cybermen, Can You Hear Me, and Rosa. Oh, toughy this one. Oh god, there we go. Maybe that's a sign, guys. So we got Battle Ransko of Kalos. I think this is an autograph. Ooh, who's this? Kevin Eldon. Who did he play? Ribbons in It Takes You Away. It's pretty cool, guys. But we also got Fugitive of the Dune, The Ghost Monument, and Arachnids in the UK. So then, guys, let's continue with this opening. Spyfall Part 2. Okay, I think this is another autograph, guys. Who do you think could be? Come on. That ain't great, guys. That ain't amazing. But it's an inscription autograph card. Meh, it's pretty cool. Timeless Children, The Sharanga Conundrum, and Rosa. It Takes You Away, The Witchfinders, Haunting of Villa Diodati, Haunting of Villa Diodati, and The Woman Who Fell to Earth. Toughy, this one. So we got The Witchfinders, another autograph. Oh, who's this? I've never seen her before. Solpado. In the Timeless Children. We also got Attention of Cybermen, Rosa, and The Woman Who Fell to Earth. Spyfall Part 2, Fugitive of the Judoon, Ascension of Cybermen, Arachnids in the UK, and Arachnids in the UK. Last 2 packs, guys. So we got Nicholas Tesla's Night of Terror, Takes You Away, Fugitive of the Judoon, Nicholas Tesla's Night of Terror, Demons of the Punjab. Last pack. The Witchfinders. Oh, Can You Hear Me? Haunting Village Deity, Arachnids in the UK, and The Woman Who Fell to Earth.